How to create a password-protected file in Google Drive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Forms to create a simple password gate before someone can access your file. First, open Google Drive on your computer. Next, click New, then select Google Forms to create a new form. Enter a title for your form. Now, create a new question and type something like Enter Password. Change the question type to Short Answer. Turn on the Required option. Next, click the three-dot menu and select Response Validation. Set the validation type to text, then enter the password you want users to type. In the Custom Error text field, enter a message such as Incorrect Password. Now, open the Settings tab and select Presentation. Edit the confirmation message and customize it however you like. Next, return to Google Drive, right-click the file you want to share, choose Share, and then click Copy Link. Go back to your Google form and paste the copied link into the confirmation message so users can access it after entering the correct password. Click Save, then use the Preview button to test your form. Enter the correct password and submit the form. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the confirmation message with the link to your Google Drive file. And that's it! You've created a simple password-gated way to share a Google Drive file using Google Forms. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Google Drive tips and tutorials.